All right, things are looking and sounding good. Yeah, you definitely had the two-string sweeps down, sounding good to me. We'll talk more about the sweeping technique when we get to that one. So first, we'll start with pushing the finger synchronization and picking just a little bit further. So getting two strings involved this time. So very similar to what you have been doing. So got the play those notes twice, 1, 2 times, and then up to the E string. And then we do the descending, and we move up to the 7th fret, and down. So here we go. 61, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. That was a bummer of a pinch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lame ending. Doesn't help that these strings are way too old. And of course, if you can go faster, definitely do that. All right, so sweeping. So we're going to do the same shapes, but descend instead. So yeah, if you leave both fingers down, that can certainly cause the strings or the notes to blend together, and we don't want that. We don't want that. Let's see. Turn up my tone a little bit. I need to replace the battery for this pickup so I can actually use my neck pickup again and have it sound great, good. Anyway, sweeps just sound better with that kind of pickup. Anyway, so I'm definitely taking my middle finger off every time, and here the ring finger off every time, because like when you start doing bigger sweeps, the idea is to have just the one note ring out at a time, so you're trying to lift your finger as you go. Because we don't want to. So we can avoid that kind of sound. I'm not keeping my index finger down like the entire time. It does feel like it comes up a little bit. Like the pressure changes a little bit. I'm not taking it completely off. I can. But yeah, so the index finger is definitely muting the B string. So when I leave the B string, the index finger is muting that. And then when I go back to the B string, if I take my index finger completely off, well, now my ring finger for the B diminished is muting the E string. So if I do this one, or the A minor one, or the C or the A minor, where the middle finger's on the B string, the middle finger is now muting the E string. So basically, yes, the index finger will be muting the B string by being up underneath it, and then your middle finger or ring finger will be muting the E string by being just barely on top of it. So not this, Whoops, that didn't sound right. Well, that doesn't sound terrible. That doesn't sound that terrible. There, that stands out more. So yeah, we don't want the finger completely on the tip. We don't want the finger completely on the tip because then you're going to hear both strings. You don't want it completely flat because then that happens. So it's got to be in between. So it needs to be angled in such a way that you're barely touching the other string. All right. So hopefully that helps. Let's demo this. Other things you can do to help with this is you can focus on just a couple, or like 2 arpeggios at a time, or even just like the transition. So for example, you can go, well, don't do it like that. Do better than that. And just transition into that note. And you can also do it like that. Something like that would be would be worth doing for sure if you need to break it down to make it easier. So yeah, like each week, go ahead and just send over what you got. If you're not hitting like the 240 with this within the week, just send over what you do have. You know, I'll check it out, and then I'll offer some suggestions to help you get to that 240 a little more easily. So yeah, just send it on over once you got it. Or sorry, send it over at the end of the week, even if you don't have the 240. But if you do reach 240 early, send it over like you have been doing. All right, let's do the whole thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Goodness. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, if you want to take it further, if you can, definitely do it. All right, I think that answers everything, hopefully. And yeah, any more questions, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.